I'm sure you've heard the news. Cardano delegation timeouts can be a real pain. Let's fix that. A Cardano delegation timeout can be frustrating, but it's often easy to resolve. Here are some quick solutions. First, check your network connection. Make sure it's stable. Try using a VPN or switching networks to rule out connectivity issues. If you're using Daedalus, restart or update your wallet. For Yoroi, ensure it's up to date and try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache. Sometimes it's just blockchain congestion. Be patient, and it should clear up. Double-check the pool ID and stake address you're entering. Typos can cause timeouts. For wallet-specific errors, consult the wallet's documentation or support forums. They often have tailored troubleshooting steps. Need more tips? Check Cardano's Block Explorer for network status, verify your wallet settings, or try a different wallet. And if all else fails, contact support or the Cardano community for help. Remember, patience is key. Often waiting and retrying later can resolve temporary issues. By following these steps, you'll be delegating smoothly in no time.